Hi, in this video I will show you how you can create a table in your database using JetBrains Data Grid. You already have a database where you can see the default schema, that is the DB0 schema. At the schema you have to right click and click on new and then select table. Then a new window pops up, and the first thing we are asked to provide is the name of the table. In this example, I would just create a new persons table. So this is what I do. Then in the left pane here, you can see we have different folders. The first folder is columns, the next one is keys, and the third one is fortune keys. The last four folders will not be covered in this series of videos. So in this video we will only focus on this columns folder here. So on the column folder you can right click and move your mouse to the new and click the column menu here. Then we have created a new column. So since this is a person table, we want to store some information about the social security number. So we will just in short call it for SSN. Since it is a social security number, the data type can be quite big. So instead of integers, we will use a big int. So we simply just begin to type and select the big int. You could also just press this little arrow button here and then find whatever data type you will want to use. Then we have a bunch of options we can select here. We have this not null. When this is selected, the content of this column cannot be nothing or empty. So because of this is a security number, I would press this not null. Then we have this computed, and the computed is when we want a number to be auto-generated when a new column is created inside the table. And then we can we have another one called identity, and the identity is a column, an option we can select if we want to make the column an identity. So for this social security number, we will just put this not null on. Then if we click on this column 1 again and select a new column, we create another column inside this table. And let's call that for first name. And the data type for this is in var char, and then 50. The 50 means that we only want this first name to be not more than 50 letters. So 51 letters will not be allowed. Then let's create another column again, and let's call it last name, and do exactly the same. And we call 50 just as the first name. So this is the way that we can create different columns inside our table. I'll just create an address as well here. And the address will be an nvarchar 50 also. Please mention and not mention. Please be aware of this preview in the bottom of this window. The preview shows how you can do exactly what you have done. Using drag and drop and typing on the keyboard. This shows you how you can do it if you were using SQL commands. So this is a good way if you don't know how to do things. Then you can use this preview to see how you can do it using commands instead of just doing it, by hand, so to speak. So let's press OK, and I think we need to refresh here. Maybe one more time. Nope. Refresh. Okay, there was a little bug in my configuration of my SQL Server connection here. So that was the reason why it didn't appear below this DBO schema. So, but now the persons table that we just created is inside our database. And we can, if we want to modify it later on, then we can simply right click on the table and select this modify table. And then we can see here the all the columns that we have already created, and then we can create more columns if we want to. And then we can press OK. So thank you for watching.